Hello, and welcome to the Arizona WIC Participant Portal tutorial. In this short video, you'll learn how to use the Participant Portal to find out if you're eligible for the WIC program, how to enter your family's information, and how to upload your documents to fast-track your enrollment process. To begin, you'll open up an internet browser, type azwic.gov into the search bar, and hit the Enter key. Then click on the Find Out If You're Eligible icon. You can use this table to help determine if you're income eligible to participate in the program. When you're ready to continue, click the Visit the WIC portal to apply now link. That link takes you to myazwic.com, which is the web address to the Arizona WIC Participant Portal. If you're already a WIC participant, you'll click on the Register button, but if you're not, you'll click on the Am I Eligible button. If you click on the Register button, you'll be taken to the Registration for Existing WIC Participant screen. Begin by entering the last name and date of birth of the authorized representative in these two fields, and/or enter your family ID number or EWIC card number in this field. If you don't know your family ID number or EWIC card number, contact your local clinic. When you're ready to continue, click I'm Not a Robot before clicking the Next button. You'll then be prompted to sign in with either Facebook or Google. If you don't have a Facebook or Google account, you'll need to create one before continuing to use the Participant Portal. If you're not interested in creating a Facebook or Google account, you won't be able to use the Participant Portal, but you can still contact your local WIC clinic for assistance. Then click I'm Not a Robot before clicking Create Account. Once you're signed in, you'll see all the members of the family that have previously been enrolled in the WIC program. If you'd like to add another person, contact your local WIC clinic for enrollment. Going back to the myazwic.com landing page, let's review the steps that you'll take if you're not already a WIC participant. You'll start by clicking the Am I Eligible button. On this page, you'll answer 3 eligibility questions. In order to be considered eligible to participate in the Arizona WIC program, you must live in Arizona or a state-approved area bordering Arizona and have one or more of these situations apply to your family. If you or your family participate in one or more of these programs, indicate that information here. Once you provided proof of participation in one or more of these programs, it may make you or your family members automatically eligible for the Arizona WIC program. However, if you or your family do not participate in one or more of these programs, click None of the Above, and you may still be income eligible to participate in the program. Once you've answered all 3 questions, click the Next button to continue. On the Family Information screen, you'll fill in your personal information in these fields. Once you finish that, click the Add Family Member button. If you're a pregnant woman, postpartum woman up to 6 months after the end of your pregnancy, or breastfeeding woman up to 1 year after the end of your pregnancy, and would like to apply for the WIC program, you'll enter your personal information again in these fields. Then click the Save Changes button. You would then follow the same process again for as many family members that you would like to apply for the WIC program. Infants and children up to the month of their 5th birthday may be eligible to participate. Once you've finished adding all members of your household that you believe may be eligible to participate, you'd click the Next button to continue. On this screen, you'll search for and select your local WIC clinic. The system will automatically populate your zip code and has a default search radius of 5 miles. But the search radius can be changed by selecting a different distance from this drop-down bar. You then click the Search button. Clinics will appear in order based on how close they are to the zip code you enter. You then select your preferred clinic and click the Next button. You'll then be prompted to sign in with either Facebook or Google. If you don't have a Facebook or Google account, you'll need to create one before continuing to use the Participant Portal. If you're not interested in creating a Facebook or Google account, you won't be able to use the Participant Portal, but you can still contact your local WIC clinic for assistance. Then click I'm Not a Robot before clicking Create Account. On this welcome screen, you'll be asked to upload the following documents using the participant portal: identification for yourself, such as a driver's license or photo ID, a form of identification for each child, such as a shot record, birth certificate, crib card, or hospital ID, proof of income, such as your most recent 30 days of pay stubs, access award letter, or SNAP letter, a proof of address, such as mail or bill, driver's license, or mortgage receipt, and food or formula prescriptions if applicable. After clicking OK, you'll be able to view your participant portal profile. Note that additional details such as your phone number and preferred language will populate on this page after you've completed your certification appointment. You'll be able to click the calendar icon to view appointments that you schedule with your local WIC clinic. If you do have an upcoming appointment, the appointment details will be displayed here. You can also click the question mark icon to review answers to some frequently asked questions. Clicking the paperclip icon will take you to the document upload page. Whether you're an existing WIC participant or applying to become a WIC participant, this is where you'll upload documents. To upload a document, begin by selecting the document type. Then select the Attach button. Then select your desired document. Then click I'm not a robot. Then click Upload Document. After you see the Successful Image Upload box appear, you can click the OK button. Then continue adding as many additional documents as you need to. Once you've finished using the participant portal, simply click the Log Out button to be taken back to myazwic.com. Whenever you want to use the participant portal again in the future to upload documents or check on your upcoming appointments, just use either your Facebook or Google account. If you have both a Facebook and Google account, continue to use the account that you originally used to register when signing in. You'll then immediately be taken to your participant portal profile. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or concerns using the participant portal, feel free to call your local WIC clinic or call the Arizona WIC State Office at 1-800-252-5942. Have a wonderful day.